Hey everyone, welcome back to the garden. It's been such a wonderful week out here, and I am so excited to share something special with you today. You know, many of you often ask me which plants can fill up my garden quickly and still bring color all season long. Well, the answer is Fast Spreading Perennials. These plants are like the generous friends in your garden. They grow, they multiply, and they keep giving you beauty year after year without much effort. Imagine planting once, and then each season your garden just becomes fuller, more colorful, more alive. Isn't that amazing? And don't worry, I will also share some personal tips on how to manage them so they do not take over your entire space. You are new here. Hi, I'm so glad you found us. You are watching VTC Garden Tips, a place where we celebrate the joy of gardening together. So make sure you hit that subscribe button because we have so many more tips, secrets, and plant stories waiting for you. Now, grab your tea, sit back, and let's dive into the world of fast spreading perennials. So before we jump right into our top picks, let's take a moment to talk about perennials. A perennial is a plant that comes back year after year, unlike annuals that only last for one season. What makes them so special is that once you plant them, they return each spring stronger and often bigger than before. It's like your garden is saying, "Don't worry, I've got you covered." Of course, not all perennials behave the same way. Some are polite and stay where you put them, while others, well, they love to spread, filling up empty spots faster than you can blink. And that's exactly what today's video is all about. Fast spreading perennials that will bring you full season color and coverage without the need to plant over and over again. If you are enjoying this already, don't forget to subscribe to VTC Garden Tips, because I promise the more you learn about these plants, the easier and more joyful your gardening journey will become. Now, before you run out and start planting every fast spreading perennial you can find, let's slow down for just a second. There are a few important things to think about. First, space. These plants love to spread, so you want to make sure you actually have room for them to grow. Otherwise, they might end up competing with your favorite roses or vegetables. Second, soil and sunlight. Some perennials thrive in full sun, while others prefer a little shade. Matching the right plant with the right spot is the secret to a low-maintenance garden. And third, control. If a plant is too aggressive, it can overwhelm your garden. So it's smart to plan borders, raised beds, or even containers to keep them in check. Don't worry though, I'll share some of my favorite ways to manage them later in the video. For now, just remember, the best gardens are the ones where plants are chosen with love and intention. And hey, if you're learning something new already, make sure you hit that subscribe button to join our VTC Garden Tips family. We've got so much more to explore together. Let's start with one of my absolute favorites, asparagus. Yes, the same delicious veggie you enjoy roasted or grilled can also become a star in your garden. Asparagus is a perennial that keeps coming back year after year, and once it's established, it spreads naturally underground through its roots, creating a bigger and stronger patch over time. The amazing thing about asparagus is that it's not just productive, it's also beautiful. Its tall, feathery fronds add a soft, elegant texture to your garden beds, almost like an ornamental plant. But here's the secret. Asparagus takes patience. You usually wait 2 to 3 years before harvesting your first big crop. After that, though, it will reward you with fresh, tender spears every spring for decades. If you've got the space, give asparagus a permanent home and it will become one of the most generous perennials in your garden. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to VTC Garden Tips because I'll share even more perennials that are just as giving as asparagus. Next up, let's talk about rhubarb. You may know it from those sweet pies and jams, but in the garden, rhubarb is so much more than a kitchen ingredient. Rhubarb is a hardy perennial with huge, bold leaves and striking red stalks that make it stand out in any garden bed. Once planted, it grows larger every year, spreading naturally and creating a dramatic, lush look. One important thing to remember is that while the stalks are edible and delicious, the leaves are toxic. So always harvest carefully and keep pets or kids away from the foliage. What I love most about rhubarb is its early spring growth. Just when the garden is waking up, rhubarb is already pushing out strong, colorful stalks, giving you one of the first harvests of the season. Plus, rhubarb can live for decades if cared for properly, making it a true long-term investment for your garden. If you want a plant that's both beautiful and useful, rhubarb is a must. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button for more amazing perennial ideas here on VTC Garden Tips. Now let's move on to something small but mighty, chives. These little onion relatives might look delicate, but they are powerhouses in the garden. Chives are one of the easiest herbs to grow, and once established, they spread quickly, forming clumps that get bigger every single year. Not only do they provide a steady harvest of fresh onion-flavored leaves, but they also bloom with beautiful purple flowers in late spring. And here's the fun part. Those flowers are edible too, and they make a lovely garnish for salads. Plus, pollinators like bees absolutely adore them. So by planting chives, you're not just feeding yourself, you're also supporting your garden's ecosystem. Chives do best in full sun, but will tolerate partial shade, and they're perfect for borders, herb gardens, or even containers. Honestly, every garden should have chives. They're useful, attractive, and so low maintenance. And if you're enjoying this series, don't forget to subscribe to VTC Garden Tips because we've got many more wonderful perennials to explore together. Next on the list is a bit of a hidden gem, Jerusalem artichoke, also called sunchoke. Don't be fooled by the name. It's not related to artichokes at all, but it is one of the most fascinating perennials you can grow. Jerusalem artichokes are tall, sunflower-like plants that spread quickly underground by their tubers. Once planted, they'll multiply fast and create dense patches, giving you both beauty above ground and food below ground. The tubers taste nutty and slightly sweet, almost like water chestnuts or potatoes, and they're packed with nutrients. They can be roasted, sautéed, or even eaten raw in salads. But here's the thing, they can be aggressive. If you don't manage them, they'll spread far and wide. Plant them in a dedicated bed or use barriers to keep them under control. Still, they're one of the most rewarding perennials because you get cheerful yellow flowers in late summer and an endless supply of edible tubers in the fall. If you love discovering unique plants, this is a must-try. And don't forget to subscribe to VTC Garden Tips for more garden treasures like this one. Now, let's spice things up a little with horseradish. If you've ever tasted that sharp, fiery flavor in sauces, you already know this root means business. Horseradish is a tough perennial that spreads rapidly through its roots. Once planted, it can quickly establish a large patch, and trust me, it is very hard to get rid of once it's happy in your soil. The roots are harvested in the fall, and they pack that signature punchy flavor we love in dips, sauces, and even pickles. But here's the fun part. The leaves are edible too, though they're usually a bit bitter. Because horseradish is so aggressive, it's best to plant it in a controlled space, like a raised bed or a container, so it won't take over your entire garden. Still, it's worth growing, because not only does it add bold flavor to your kitchen, but it's also extremely hardy and practically takes care of itself. So if you like strong flavors and strong plants, horseradish is perfect. And don't forget to subscribe to VTC Garden Tips so you don't miss the rest of our perennial lineup. Next on our list is sorrel, a leafy green that deserves way more attention than it usually gets. If you've never tried it before, you're in for a tangy surprise. Sorrel is a hardy perennial that comes back early each spring, often one of the very first greens to appear in the garden. Its leaves have a sharp, lemony flavor that adds a refreshing twist to soups, sauces, and salads. What makes sorrel special is not just its taste, but also how quickly it spreads. A small patch can grow into a generous bed of greens in no time, giving you a constant supply. Just remember, sorrel can be strong in flavor, so a little goes a long way. And because it's so early to grow, it helps extend your harvest season when not much else is ready yet. I love planting sorrel along with other herbs because it adds both beauty and function. Bright green leaves that are useful in the kitchen and cheerful in the garden. If you're enjoying this journey through perennials, don't forget to subscribe to VTC Garden Tips. There are still plenty of amazing plants coming your way. Now here's a quirky one, the walking onion, also called Egyptian walking onion. This plant has such a fun personality, and once you grow it, you'll never forget it. Unlike regular onions, walking onions form little bulb clusters at the top of their stalks. As those bulbs get heavy, the stalk bends down to the ground and the bulbs take root, walking the plant across your garden. It's a self-spreading machine. You plant it once, and year after year, it multiplies on its own, giving you both greens in the spring and bulbs later in the season. The greens taste like chives, fresh and oniony, while the bulbs are spicier, closer to shallots. They're so versatile in the kitchen, from soups and stir-fries to salads and pickles. And honestly, they're just fun to watch. They add movement and surprise to your garden in a way that few other plants can. If you want a perennial that entertains as much as it feeds, walking onions are a must-have. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to VTC Garden Tips because there are even more fascinating perennials coming up. Next up is a really unique plant you don't see in every garden, sea kale. As the name suggests, this perennial originally comes from coastal areas, and it's both ornamental and edible. Sea kale grows into large, broad clumps of blue-green leaves that look stunning as a border or focal point in your garden. In late spring, it sends up tall stalks covered in clusters of small, white, fragrant flowers that pollinators absolutely love. But here's the best part. The young shoots of sea kale are edible. They taste a bit like asparagus, tender and slightly nutty, and were once considered a delicacy in Europe. It's hardy, low maintenance, and spreads steadily, though not as aggressively as some others. That makes it perfect if you want a perennial that fills space without completely taking over. With its combination of beauty and usefulness, sea kale really deserves more attention in home gardens. If you're enjoying these discoveries, don't forget to subscribe to VTC Garden Tips, because the next perennials are just as exciting, maybe even more. All right, let's talk about one of the most famous fast spreaders of all, mint. If you've ever grown mint, you probably already know how quickly it can take over. Mint is a perennial herb with refreshing aromatic leaves that are perfect for teas, cocktails, desserts, and so much more. It grows by underground runners, and once it's happy, it spreads everywhere, sometimes a little too happily. The trick with mint is control. If you don't want it to invade your entire garden, plant it in containers, raise beds, or use barriers to keep its roots in check. But honestly, it's so worth growing. There's nothing like stepping outside on a hot day, picking a handful of fresh mint and adding it to your drink or salad. It's one of those plants that makes your garden feel instantly abundant and alive. Plus, mint attracts pollinators and even helps deter some pests, making it useful in companion planting. If you love herbs with personality, mint is a must-have. And remember to subscribe to VTC Garden Tips because we've got one more amazing perennial coming up that you won't want to miss. And finally, let's end our list with a real showstopper. Bee balm, also known as Monarda. If you want a plant that's as gorgeous as it is useful, this one's for you. Bee balm is a fast-spreading perennial that bursts into vibrant blooms of red, pink, purple, or white in the summer. The flowers look like little fireworks and they attract pollinators of every kind, bees, butterflies, and even hummingbirds. What makes bee balm extra special is that it's also an herb. The leaves can be used for making tea with a mild minty flavor, and the plant has a long history of being used in traditional medicine. It does like to spread, forming clumps that get larger every year. To keep it healthy, just divide the clumps every few years. You'll have even more plants to share with friends or move around your garden. Imagine a patch of bee balm buzzing with life and glowing with color. It's the kind of plant that makes a garden feel truly alive. If you want a perennial that combines beauty, fragrance, and pollinator power, bee balm is a perfect choice. And don't forget to subscribe to VTC Garden Tips because we've got plenty more gardening tips and plant ideas waiting for you. And there you have it, 10 amazing fast-spreading perennials that will fill your garden with color, texture, and life year after year. From asparagus and rhubarb to mint and bee balm, each plant brings its own personality and gifts to your little patch of nature. Remember, gardening is not just about growing plants, it's about creating a space that feeds your body, calms your mind, and brings joy to your heart. Perennials are perfect partners for that journey because once you plant them, they keep giving back season after season. To make things even easier, I've prepared a free printable guide for you, a quick reference with all 10 perennials we talked about today, plus a few extra tips on how to manage their growth and keep your garden balanced. You'll find the link in the description below. Download it, print it, and keep it handy in your gardening notebook. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Leave me a comment about which perennial you're most excited to try. And of course, subscribe to VTC Garden Tips so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thank you so much for spending this time with me in the garden. Until next time, keep growing, keep smiling, and keep nurturing your little piece of paradise.